Have you ever felt lost? Have you ever felt like your life is in a loop? Like you're there, you're existing, but you don't feel like you're living. I often think that life was just a big void we need to fill in before. That's why back then, I constantly chased love, purpose, and belongingness, all in the wrong places, just to fill that gap in my heart. I also constantly do things that will hurt me, like watching sad movies, listening to sad musics, and beating myself up in order to feel something. In a world filled with doubts and unpredictability, I yearned for something I could truly hold on to. And then I found it. The unshakable love and certainty of God. In Him, I discovered what it truly means to live with purpose. A girl who once chased achievements and recognition of this world, to now a woman who found his identity and purpose in God. As I continue to grow and mature in serving Him, He has also given me a family. People who became my comfort, my support system, and my hope. He has given me people to be with as I serve Him, as I do my calling, as I also share His love to other people who need to hear His truth, and as I do things that He wants me to do in this world. I know there's still a lot of challenges and setbacks ahead of me, situations that will surely test my faith, but I know that the Lord is not done yet in my life, and every day I have to be reminded to daily surrender my life to Him, to the one who knows and controls everything.